Oh my god, y'all. This might be my new favorite recipe ever. Today I'm going to show you how to make this spicy Kung Pao cauliflower. We're going to start off with our coating. You will need some flour, soy sauce, cayenne pepper, and some warm water. Mix it all together and add some more water as needed until you end up with a watery, goopy dredge. Next, we're going to dip in some cauliflower florets into your dredge. You can cut your own florets. I buy them already cut like this in a bag because I freaking hate cutting cauliflower and I'm lazy. Once your cauliflower is all dipped, you're going to place them in a shallow pan with really hot vegetable or canola oil. Fry your cauliflower until both sides are crispy and browned, flipping them every 2 minutes or so. Next, we are making our Kung Pao sauce. You will need 1/2 cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Whisk this all together. In a large pan, add a little bit of sesame oil and some minced garlic. You will also add some chopped Thai chilies, which look like this. These are super spicy, so if you can't handle the heat, get out of the kitchen. No, I'm just kidding. Just use like half of one or maybe a third of one or whatever. Let this cook on medium heat for about 3 minutes. Then we're going to add some cashews, some chopped green bell pepper, our delicious sauce, and our fried cauliflower. Stir all of your ingredients in this around until they're all coated with your spicy, sticky sauce. Y'all, this is super easy, but it tastes just like takeout, but you know exactly what's in it. So freaking good. Y'all are gonna love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to join our little family. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all next week.